What is hardware and software? Do you know their differences? If not, don't worry because that's what this video is about. All right, let's dive into hardware. Remember, hardware is everything physical. The stuff you can see, touch, and yes, even kick, though I wouldn't recommend it. Hardware is what makes a computer real. Now, there are two main categories: peripheries and internal components. Let's start with peripheries, because that's what we interact with most. Think about your keyboard, the click-clack of typing, or your mouse as you glide it across the desk. How about your monitor? It's your window into the digital world. Even your printer counts as hardware, turning those pixels into something you can hold in your hand. Each of these tools is essential to how we communicate with the computer. But the real magic happens inside. Ever wondered what's going on beneath the casing of your laptop? Let's see what's inside. You've got the motherboard. Think of it as the central nervous system, connecting all the parts. The processor, or CPU, is the brain, calculating and processing all the information. The memory, RAM, is like the computer's short-term memory, holding on to the important stuff you're working on right now. And storage? That's where your files live, tucked away safely. Even your cooling system is a crucial piece of hardware, keeping everything running smoothly when things heat up during those intense gaming sessions or big work projects. Each of these components works together, and when something's not right, you'll know. Ever hear a weird noise from your computer or see it slowing down? That's hardware telling you that something is not right with it. So, hardware is not just something you use, it's everything working behind the scenes to make your digital life possible. And now we're going to explain software, the magical part of your computer that you can't touch, but definitely can't live without. Let's explore what it is and how it makes your everyday life easier. Software is the opposite of hardware. While hardware is all about the physical stuff you can kick, but please really don't. Software is what you can only stare at until it does its job. It's practically everything you see on your monitor. Think of it as the brain behind your device, telling the hardware what to do. Now let's look at some examples of software. Operating systems. Most of us use Windows or Mac OS, which help our computers run smoothly. Web browsers. Software like Chrome or Firefox lets you surf the internet. Applications. From video games to word processors and video editors, these are the programs that make our computer usage fun and productive. So how does software actually work? When you click an icon or type some text, that's software communicating with the hardware, making everything happen. Without software, your hardware would be just a bunch of useless parts. And without hardware, software could not run anything on your device. They're a perfect team. So remember, software is the invisible force that brings your hardware to life. The next time you're gaming or typing up that essay, think about the amazing software and hardware making it all possible.